Song number 19, Back and Forth of the Brown Book. I'm going to put my metronome on to give us the 4 count beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be my tempo in playing the quarter notes in each bar. There's a total of 4 quarter notes. You have a D, A, D, A. Okay, let's get into playing position. My thumb is right here between the neck and where the body of the violin meets. Fingers are up here. Get my bow. Hold ready. I'm going to place my bow first on the D string. And let's start by counting 4 beats first. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A, down, up, down, rest. Make sure you do the rest and that your violin is still in playing position because the rest is still part of the piece. One more time from the beginning. Get my bow hold, put it at the frog on the D string. After 4 counts, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, 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 down, rest. And make sure in the rest, my violin is in playing position. Then we will put our violins down. Thank you.